Hi, I'm Angus, I'm a concept artist, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Creator17. It's a new stylish laptop that provides you with accurate and high contrast display panel. This powerful machine not only boosts your performance while you're innovating your art piece, but also presents the right coloring as you have designed it. The Creator17 is built with core black aluminum. The sandblasted texture is exclusively designed by MSI. This model is built with large display and powerful performance, all within thickness of 20.25mm and weighing only 2.45 kilograms. The Creator17 CPU is powered by Intel 11th Gen up to 8 cores i9 processor. It is also equipped with up to NVIDIA RTX 3080 with 16GB VRAM and 2 DDR4 3200 slot that supports maximum 64GB capacity for users out there using software that demands a strong GPU and memory. Content creation files usually take up a lot of storage space. That's why it is important to have room for expansion. There are two M.2 slot for NVMe SSD that provides sufficient amount of data storage. The display resolution and color accuracy are crucial when it comes to content creating too. That's why MSI went all the way to get Creator17 certified by VESA Display HDR 1000, being the first to do so in the market. The 17-inch display has UHD resolution with 100% DCI-P3, and also its delta E is less than 2. The backlight was made of AUO AMOLED, which supports up to 1000 nits and local dimming. Altogether, the Creator17 delivers accurate and brilliant color for content creator. Being one of the thinner options for a content creating laptop in the market does not mean you have to compromise with the I/O ports. It's built with an HDMI port that supports 8K 60Hz output, a Thunderbolt 4, a standard size SD card reader, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C that supports DP output. On the other side, it has LAN port that supports up to 2.5GB, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, and an audio combo jack for headphone and microphone. I know you can't wait to turn on this magnificent laptop, but before you turn it on, there are things we suggest you to do. If you just unbox the laptop, connect the adapter first. It disables the factory shipping mode, which prevents power being turned on accidentally during product transportation. There is a chance that the laptop fans may start spinning when you first connect through the internet. This is due to the automatic Windows update. Once the update is done, the fan will ease down. Press the power button to turn on the laptop. The power button on Creator17 was designed to prevent user from pressing it unintentionally. When you press the power button, it does not go straight to sleep or shut down like other regular laptop. Instead, you will have to press and hold for 1 second to release it to trigger sleep, 4 seconds to shut it down. The IR camera and fingerprint sensor on Creator17 comes with Windows Hello, which means both of the hardware supports biometric login. During the Windows setup, you can register both fingerprint and facial recognition login together with the PIN code. You can also adjust the settings after the setup, simply by going to Windows Setting, Accounts, Sign-in Options to complete the registration. Traditionally, in order to unlock your computer, you will either need to open the lid of the laptop or by pressing the power key. However, with the help of modern standby mode, you can easily log in just by putting your finger on the fingerprint sensor. By default, the MSI keyboard hotkeys will perform the printed functions in one touch, while holding function keys performs the alternative functions. However, if you prefer to set the alternative keys as presets, simply hold FN plus Escape. You will know it's reversed when the LED indicator lights up. The Creator17 uses mini LED backlight display, which you can adjust your brightness to a maximum of 1000 nits. You can always readjust the brightness by pressing F9 or F10. In case you wish to enable or disable HDR, go to Display Setting, Windows HD Color, turn on and off, play HDR games and apps. If it's enabled, you will be able to watch videos that supports HDR and enjoy the VESA certified HDR 1000 premium display. The display of Creator17 is calibrated by True Color technology to maintain its color accuracy. You can change the color setting if you wish by opening True Color app, choose the color profile, and if extended, you can adjust the detail parameter. The Thunderbolt 4 port serves multi-purpose than a normal USB port. Aside from the transmitting data to another computer, using Thunderbolt cable and plug different USB devices, if you forget to bring the adapter while you're traveling, you can also charge it through the exact same port. It is compatible with a PD charger from 65 to 100 watts. Just a reminder, it will charge while you're performing basic tasks such as browsing. Heavy loading, like rendering while the laptop is powered through PD charger, may consume the battery faster than it charges, since it's not using the stock high watts adapter. You can also charge other devices that support PD charging. The Creator17 Thunderbolt 4-port supports up to 27 watt PD output. Wait, there's more! Thunderbolt 4 can also be used as a display output port. With the USB Type-C and HDMI port, you can connect 3 extra monitors for better multitasking efficiency. Here's how to set up the monitors. After connecting them, press Windows plus P or F11 and switch to Extend mode. Go to Display Setting to adjust the monitor position, and this is all it takes to have 4 monitors working simultaneously. With greater processing power comes higher heat emission. When your laptop heats up, it will lead to performance throttling, especially when the cooling system is incapable to reduce the temperature fast enough. The Creator17 is built with 6 heat pipes and 3 fans that can keep the CPU at high performance state without overheating. If you go to MSI Center and turn on Cooler Boost, you can increase the airflow and reduce the laptop temperature further. When you're running multiple softwares at the same time, there's a good chance that softwares are all fighting over the limited CPU resource. In MSI Center's Application Optimizer, you can choose to manually drag the software in the right column and prioritize the system resource base on the order, making sure your productivity won't be slowed down by other software. Hope the sharing today is useful, and thank you for watching. Till next time.